Today we are know about how to change Google Chrome download location. So let's start. First of all, we need to open Google Chrome browser. Then click on three dots here. Then select setting. After this window will open. Then select download option here, and you can see the location. Click on change. Choose the folder location whatever you want, and select the folder. And here you can see path is changed. The download location, D folder name, download data, and it's done. Thank you.